Welcome back to Car Vibes. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the boldest throwbacks with a modern twist, the Chevy Crew Chief street truck. This is more than just a tribute to old-school American muscle. It's a fully realized performance truck that blends classic styling with serious power and head-turning presence on the street. Starting with the exterior, the Chevy Crew Chief street truck is unapologetically aggressive and muscular. The Galaxy red paint makes every curve pop, giving it a custom show vibe right out of the factory. At the front, you're greeted with a squared-off chrome grille, retro-inspired twin headlamps, and a chunky front bumper that screams classic Chevy attitude. The hood is sculpted with vintage lines, but there's nothing outdated about the stance. The lowered suspension, wide tires, and deep dish wheels give it a planted, street-ready look. On the sides, it features clean sheet metal, minimal badging, and a classic long bed profile that pays homage to 70s street trucks. The rear end finishes it off with chrome accents, custom LED taillights, and a smooth tailgate that's simple but aggressive. It's raw and real, but refined in all the right places. Inside, the cabin is where classic charm meets modern comfort. The dashboard is designed with a nod to the past. You've got analog gauges with digital inserts, chrome ring dials, and vintage-style toggle switches that feel authentic without being outdated. The bench seat is trimmed in leather and suede, with contrast stitching that matches the exterior. There's a touchscreen infotainment system subtly integrated into the center console with support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. Sound deadening has been improved compared to older models, making highway cruising surprisingly quiet for a muscle truck. You still get that low-slung driving position and big steering wheel, but it's paired with modern touches like USB ports, push-button start, and customizable ambient lighting. It feels like a time machine, but one that knows you live in 2026. Now under the hood, this truck means serious business. The Crew Chief street truck comes with a massive 6.2-liter V8 engine, borrowed and tuned from the Corvette lineage. It produces upwards of 470 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, delivered through a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. The exhaust note is deep and throaty, with an unmistakable growl that turns heads every time you tap the throttle. This isn't a truck made for towing trailers. This is a street machine, built for burnouts, power slides, and showing up at weekend meets. It handles remarkably well for its size, thanks to a sport-tuned suspension and performance tires, making it surprisingly agile around tight corners. Braking is handled by upgraded Brembo calipers, ensuring it stops as hard as it goes. The Crew Chief also gets a few performance-focused drive modes, including sport and track settings that adjust throttle response and shift timing. It doesn't try to be a tech-loaded luxury cruiser. It stays true to its muscle truck roots, prioritizing raw power and road presence over gadgets. In terms of safety, it comes with the essentials like ABS, traction control, rear-view camera, and lane departure warning. But let's be honest, buyers of this truck aren't looking for hands-free driving tech. They want to be fully engaged behind the wheel, and this truck delivers that perfectly. As for the price, the Chevy Crew Chief street truck starts around $48,000, with custom packages and performance upgrades pushing it closer to $60,000. It's not cheap, but you're getting a fully modernized muscle truck that's ready to dominate the streets in the spotlight. The Crew Chief isn't just a revival, it's a revolution, a loud, proud, all-American street truck that brings heritage and horsepower together like nothing else on the road. Thanks for watching Car Vibes. Hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more raw, real car reviews.